Hey guys, in this video, I commit to the wheels. Let's go. So this is the second time I'm filming this video because I put JZX100 upper control arms in this to give me more camber to fit the wheels. But I'm not happy, so let me explain why. So the first issue is camber, and I've got 5.5 degrees of negative camber, which is too much. Now, not forgetting that this is actually a street car, and we have in Australia what they call TMU, and that is the Traffic Management Unit. And they will swiftly bend me over this bonnet each and every time they see me. So I need to make sure that this car remains at least a little bit legal. So 5 degrees is too much. I'm chasing 2.5 degrees of negative camber. That is the camber that I'm most happy with. So that's the goal for the camber. And the next issue is toe in. I have that much toe in, which is by all accounts too much toe in. Now the toe in is brought on by me decreasing the control arm length by bringing in the camber adjustment on the lower control arm in. And because the track is now shorter, my tie rod ends are too long. Now I'm running GS300 tie rod ends. The factory units are too short, so I might have to mill down the tie rod ends to make sure I can get my toe out that I want. But that's okay because I have a mill all set up, ready to go. And lastly, with the JZX100 control arms, unfortunately, the wheel actually fits in too well. I want the wheel further out, and it is sitting well within the guard, and I do plan on bringing these out a little bit so they can actually come out more. So basically the JZX100 control arms are too short and the factory arms with the adjusters is too long. So I need something in the middle of those two. Now I've got some KFD control arms adjustable. Now I got these secondhand from a mate. They are in pretty good condition. I just need to change the ball joints and get rid of some of this rust and bend some things. But other than that, they're going to be absolutely perfect. They will allow me to get the adjustment right between the JZX100 arms and the factory arms, giving this thing the perfect stance that I want with 2.5 degrees. So now we have our goals. It's time to start fitting these parts and making those goals come true. Let's get it done. So first thing we're going to do is get these soaking in some inox, just because they're a little bit rusty and I want to make sure I don't break any of these little Allen key bolts. So let's get these soaking while I get the other control arms out of the car. Now I've got all three control arms on the bench, the standard, the adjustable, and the JZX100. So what I'm going to do now is measure each one before I start pulling the ball joints out of the standard arm to put into these arms, and then I can work out the math on where it should be. For anyone playing at home, the JZX 100 arm is 190 mil. I've got the adjustable, it's currently set at 210 millimeters, and the factory arm is about 225. So that is with the adjustable bushes in both the arms. So that's about 230, and that's about 190, 185 with the adjustable bushes. So now this arm is almost where it should be anyway. So what I'm going to do now is strip the ball joint out of this one and put it in this one. Okay, so unfortunately I've just run into a bit of an issue. The IS 200 ball joint's too big and the JZX 100 ball joint is too big. So I'm going to have to use the original ball joints that came with the KFD arms. Now, this one is really good. The other one's a bit worse, but they're both tight. So what I'm going to do is clean them out, re-grease them, and then put them all back together. So I've set it to 210 millimeters. I think that will be a good starting point. I can only really bring it out, so only if I want more movement. It's hard to measure this because it is on an angle compared to the other ones, but that's a different story. Let's go with that and see what it looks like on the car. Okay, so now we've got the driver's side done. Let's get on to the passengers.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Future Daniel here. So unfortunately I have come down with a severe case of man flu and unfortunately I'm not going to be able to finish the car this weekend. So that means this is going to be a two-parter, and I will show you how I've been flaring the guards in the next video. But by the end of the next video, these wheels are going to be fitted and Mickey Mouse. So please like and subscribe, as it does help out the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.